Pete here with the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. I wanted to share the information about the CARES Rent Relief Program. The CARES Rent Relief Program is basically started in March, and it provides assistance for people who are having problems paying their rent because of the coronavirus. Now, this is supposed to be for every county, and the funds are going to be available until November 30th, 2020, the rent assistance. So there's 3 applications. You have to have all 3 applications completed with the landlord and the renter, and they must be completed and certified. So there's going to be a list of county contacts. If you're in Philadelphia or Allegheny County, you can submit online. Other than that, you have to mail in your application and basically wait to see if it gets approved. So the 3 parts are the leasee, leasehold certification. That's the renter's portion. Landlord application, landlord property application, certification, and county contact for application processing. So you're going to have to look at all 3 of these, and the main reason is because you have to do it right. That's why. Yes, that's why. So let's look at the application very quickly. Pennsylvania Rent Relief Program. Basically, when you're looking at this rent relief program, these could be filled out, by the way. And then if you want to print it, it's going to make it easier for you to do that. But this is your landlord's information, the renter's information, your some personal information, then the landlord application. Basically, says that this is a certification to participate. The landlord basically has to have his information here. Will you accept electronic payments of funds? Are you able to provide banking information? Do you agree with the right to collect rent is being applied? Okay. Do you agree with the right to collect rent from the leasee for the months which a CARES Act provides assistance? Yes. So then they put their information, months of assistance requested, amount of assistance requested. So basically you can put in there, and total amount cannot exceed $4,500, and go from there. And these are other questions that you got to all answer. Do you have written or oral agreements with the leasee? Do you have any provided lease agreements? Do you attest that each lease requested assistance is occupied? Do you agree with not being beginning any eviction process? Okay. Do you attest that the property taxes in the building are paid up to date? Okay. Well, maybe you can't pay them because people aren't paying rents, but they're asking those questions. And here's the certification. There's a quality standard certification, and you got to sign it and fill it out. And then, of course, this is the contact for the mailing information. Every single county's here. I'm going to have the list. So please feel free to check out those links. And if you need rental assistance, this would be the way to get it. I do not know how long it takes, but comment below to get follow-ups from other people. And good luck. Smash the like button if this helped you. Share this video with a friend if you need to help someone else. It's Pete from the smallbusinessresourcecenter.com. Have a great day.